Cyprus and international lenders have managed to strike a long-awaited agreement on taxing bank deposits of over €100,000 held with the country's biggest bank. That was the agreement. Customers who keep large sums of money in other banks too will also be forced to sacrifice part of their savings, but not so much, to the country's ailing economy. RT's Tessa Silla has got the latest details.
What we have now is an agreement for a 20% tax for deposits above €100,000 in the Bank of Cyprus. That's the country's biggest lender, and 4% on deposits above €100,000 in other banks. So this has been an important piece of information that people here have been waiting for. And this is, again, part of that package that Cyprus is trying to put together before that Sunday meeting in Brussels, where they will present the entirety of it to the Troika, hoping to get an approval. What they have so far, aside from that levy that they have, is the bank controls that will be imposed on controlling the amount of money flowing in and out of the country's banks, as well as the amount of money people can access. And also they have that solidarity fund. They want to pull together a certain amount of money that they have to put up in order to get the €10 billion bailout, again, from the Troika. So that's the latest for now. Cyprus still knows that the clock is ticking. It still has to get that approval, and if not, that's where its future is hinging upon. How people have been feeling, if we remember that they had come out into the streets precisely because of this possible attacks on their deposits, and also because of all this uncertainty. They really are not sure if they're going to still have a substantial amount of savings. They don't know when they will have access to their cash. Remember, the banks are still closed. They're now trying to hold on to as much cash as they could. They're worried for their jobs. So they've been coming out to the streets. Today, we know there have been protests, and so people are really feeling frustrated. And still, even if, as the details come trickling through with the latest updates, they're not completely satisfied. They really want to know where this is all headed and when everything will really settle down for them.